To make it easy, I recommend you to use computer or laptop to do this because we need to do a payment operation to watch Atresplayer. So you want to signing into your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. After that, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on the shop icon, which will take you to networks and add-ons, and then just click on all to see all the channel and scroll down to search for Atresplayer. Right here on Atresplayer, you want to click on it. And then you want to add Atresplayer to your YouTube TV membership by paying $6 per month, and you can get 7-day free trial. So just click on next to complete your purchase with your debit or credit card or even your PayPal. After you buy the package, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on the search icon. You can do it on your TV or any streaming devices and then search for Atresplayer. Right here on Atresplayer, with this network sign, you want to click on it and then just scroll down and search for any movies, series, or dramas that you want to watch on Atresplayer. And you can also add the movie or series that you want to watch on your smart TV by adding them to your YouTube TV library, where you can also skip the ads when you add a show to the library. And to do it, you can just choose on any show, and then right here, click on the 3 dots, and then click on add with the show name. Or you can just choose or click on the show, and then just click on the plus sign. And to check on every show that you add before, you can go to your top of your screen and then click right here on the library beside the home page. So on your smart TV, you can just hop into this section without looking into the live guide and enjoy your favorite show. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch Atresplayer on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.